And hi, welcome back to another RYC STEM review. My name is Mr. Harris, and this is...
My name is Theo Lodge.
Theo Lodge. Where you from, Theo?
I am from Rockland County, New York. I attend Manhattan University, and I'm an electrical engineering student.
Woo! And he's been here for the summer with us as an intern, and we love having him here. So, what do we have here?
Okay, so today we have something that's pretty cool in my personal opinion. It's a finger detection LED unit, basically. So it can read and light up based on how many fingers you're holding up. I actually have Mr. Harris demonstrate for you guys, but all you have to do is hold up your hand and decide how many fingers you want to hold up.
Okay, right now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay.
So now you have 5 fingers up, so 5 lights are up. And based on how many fingers you put down or keep up, the lights will change.
Oh, well, we're not gonna play with that finger. You guys know that's naughty, very naughty. So let's see what other options I have here. That means love, right?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So how is this happening?
Okay, so it's pretty cool how it's happening. So basically, first of all, we have the webcam. The webcam is able to capture your hand and track it and detect it and let you know, and that sends a message to my computer letting it know how many fingers are being held up. Now, once the computer has that message, it's able to send a string to the Arduino board, which is this black board over here, in a sign of 1s and 0s. When a finger's up, there's a 1. When a finger's down, it's a 0. And using that simple idea, you're able to have full control over what the Arduino board detects and how many fingers you're holding up.
Arduino board, what is that? So what are these parts?
So an Arduino board is basically a microcontroller. It's really used for simple coding projects, and if you want to mess with LEDs and program something to listen to you, that's an Arduino board.
That's this guy.
This is a breadboard. This is basically just where you're able to put it so all the circuits can work.
Another guy.
This is the Arduino.
Ah, it's like a little small computer.
Yes, this Arduino is taking the information from my computer and sending it to the lights to let it know how many lights to turn on and turn off.
Got you. And so how long did it take you to do this?
This took me about 15, 20 minutes. It's really simple to understand the ideas, and it's a really fun project, and there's so much creativity. You can go way further into this. I actually created something where based on which way you're turning your head, the lights will change colors. So there's so much creativity, so many things you can do with just an Arduino board, a breadboard, and a few LEDs.
Wow. Have you done any projects on helping me grow some hair? I mean, that'd be kind of really cool since you got all that cool hair up there. How can we use this practically? Like, so this is fun, right? Is there a way that this is being used or can be used for a real practical reason?
So this is being used all the time, actually. So say, not in this specific way, but finger detection is used for people with disabilities who can't really reach things or use things the way that me and you can, right? And they're able to use this and the camera is able to sense how many fingers they're holding up and use that basically as an action. And it's able to carry out any action based on that. Because there's so much versatility with the line of code that is being sent to the computer, there's so many possibilities that it's basically limitless.
Right. Well, Theo, thank you for sharing with us today. This is absolutely really cool. And so you can also do this. So stay tuned for more cool projects. And if you live in the area, 5 boroughs of New York City, come on down to Renaissance Youth Center. We do stuff like this all the time. Thank you, Theo.
Yeah, no problem.
Cool, man.
Thank you.